What's going on, guys? Today we got a 2024 Honda CBR650R, and we got ourselves a smoke screen from AliExpress. I believe this was somewhere around like the $20 range. So we're gonna go ahead, put this on, show you guys how it's done, and make this as easy as possible for you guys. Now the first step to this, you just have 4 3mm Allen keys, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can take those out and you can just pop out the screen. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Now you're gonna need a small screwdriver for this part to get out these little rubber grommets. What I like to do is kind of hard to show you here, but I like to just get under it and I can kind of pry this down a little bit. And then once it kind of comes out, you're good to just peel it out. It's kind of hard to see there, really trying to show you, but you just gotta pop it out like that. And then when you want to go put it in the new one, you just kind of pinch it a little bit and you're gonna slide it in, and then you're gonna use the flathead to kind of push it up into place. So I'm gonna try to show you how it's put in there, but it's kind of hard to show you while I'm recording this part. So with the new one here, what I like to do is I like to just kind of pinch it, and I can kind of shove it into place there, and then I'll use the flathead to just push the rest of it up into place. And then once it's in there, you'll know. And then I kind of like spin it a little bit to that way once you get this side in, you can then just kind of lift it up and get it into place. It's really hard to show this on camera, but that's basically how you do it. There we go. Let's see if we can't get this in this way. Just kind of work your way around it, slowly lifting that rubber. There you go, and then it's in. And that's all you got to do to get these little grommets in. Now once you have all of those grommets put in, it is now just the reverse step. You just want to go ahead and slide that down into place, and then line up your holes and get your screws back in. And that's all you got to do. Now I will say, getting these 4 screws back in, I went top, bottom, trying to get this last one in. It was kind of a pain, but what I ended up doing is I basically just kind of held it like this, like I gripped it and kind of held it over, so that way you can get this screw in. As you can see, this is relatively even all the way across. Your gaps here are actually somewhat even. I had another one of these that didn't line up right. It was flush on one side, but there was a huge gap on the other. This one is at least even on both sides. It is still not 100% perfect, but it is a lot better. But overall, looks a lot better than the clear one. And because this has the double bubble here, that should help you with some airflow, whereas the old one, as it would come up, it would just kind of hit me in the head. It might just be my height, I don't know, but this should help me get the airflow over my head, a little less buffeting when you're riding. So hopefully that helps a little bit. But overall, here is the final product. I think it's worth it for 20 bucks. You could get the the Puig, I think that's how you say it, but that's like $100, and I don't think it looks as good. I like the more kind of sleek look. I don't like that giant bubble sitting like that, like the BMWs. I hate that look. But I think this looks a lot more aggressive, and I like it that way. But this should help you guys install one. Hope you guys like it, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.